What up guys? Welcome back to another video from What Up Canada. This is Sherry
And this is Sid.
and today's video is going to be about high demand job roles in Canada in 2021. So after COVID things have changed और ऐसे बहुत सारे job roles हैं जिनकी demand बढ़ी है due to the pandemic. So आज हम वही सब डिस्कस करेंगे कौन से ऐसे जॉब रोल्स हैं जिनकी डिमांड ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेड है इन 2021.
Many of you would be knowing that Canadian government कैसे help कर रही है basically employed and self-employed लोगों को, and if you are eligible for the Canadian Emergency Response Benefit, you are entitled $2,000 for a 4-week period. So this is how the Canadian government is helping individuals out here and supporting the community as a whole.
So हमने बहुत सारी ऑनलाइन रिलायबल वेबसाइट से रिसर्च किया है और उसके बाद शॉर्टलिस्ट किए हैं कुछ प्रोफेशंस जिनकी डिमांड 2021 में कनाडा में हर जगह कॉमन दिख रही है. सो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग ऑल ऑफ देम इन द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट.
So let's come to the job roles, and in particular the first industry which has the most demand job roles is the healthcare industry. So healthcare industry में basically ज़्यादा requirement nursing की है, and this is because of the baby boomers which are reaching their retirement age, and also because of the overall aging population of Canada. So this is the main reason, and that's why nursing is required as a whole.
So healthcare में first profession जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा demand है that is the registered nurse. Registered nurse are basically those who are registered to look after a patient's medicine and treatments. They also teach families how to take care of different illnesses and keeps a record of a family's health and symptoms.
For a registered nurse, the high demand provinces are mostly every province except for Saskatchewan, Newfoundland and Labrador, where the demand is fair. Also, the typical annual salaries ranges between $42,000 to $94,000 yearly. For a registered nurse, the typical entry-level education requires a bachelor's degree and a registration with a provincial regulatory authority.
So next one is licensed practical nurse. Licensed practical nurse are basically those who work under the guidance of medical practitioners or registered nurses. इनकी भी बहुत ज़्यादा शॉर्टेज है right now in Canada. So it is one of the most in-demand job role in Canada right now.
For a licensed practical nurse, the high-demand provinces are British Columbia, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Quebec, Alberta. Typical pay ranges between $43,000 to $67,000 yearly. And a typical entry-level education requires diploma and registration with a regulatory authority.
So third one is software engineers or developers. With or without pandemic, there is always a high demand in technology sector in Canada. Because of the same reason, there are immigration programs in Ontario and British Columbia for recruitment in the technology sector by the Canadian government itself.
About 21,000 jobs are expected to be created between 2017 to 2026 in the technology sector for software engineering. High demand provinces are Saskatchewan, New Brunswick, Quebec, Nova Scotia, Ontario, and British Columbia. And the annual pay ranges between $54,000 to $102,000 annually. And for this, the typical entry-level education requires a bachelor's degree.
So the fourth job role is customer service representative. So after pandemic, work from home culture has increased and it's going to stay for a long time. Every company needs customer support service who can answer clients over email, internet chat or phone. So there is an increased demand for customer service representatives, not just in Canada but all over the world in the coming years.
So a typical job role in a customer service role involves administrative assistant, customer support representative, and call center representative. And the overall salary ranges between $24,000 to $41,000 annually.
So the fifth job role is digital marketing specialist. Because of COVID, businesses are forced to move online. So आज के डेट पे every business wants to attract customers online, and that is the reason there is an increased demand for digital marketing specialist. As a digital marketing specialist, you are expected to combine traditional marketing with tech know-how in terms of search engine optimization, web analytics, so as you can attract more and more business online.
So the typical salary for a digital marketing specialist revolves around $35,000 to $88,000 annually, and the typical entry-level requirement is a bachelor's or a diploma in marketing. And if you have done your MBA, you can land a senior position in an organization if you have relevant work experience. We did create a video on marketing jobs in Canada as well as how to prepare for a marketing interview. You can check that out. We will provide the link in the description below.
So डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के अंडर ही आता है मल्टीमीडिया डिजाइनर. because businesses have moved online and there is a high demand for digital marketing specialists. Similarly, there is a high demand for multimedia designers. Companies are looking at not just basic graphics but animation and video creation as well, and that is the reason there is a high demand for multimedia designers in the coming years.
So for becoming a multimedia designer, you need to have a qualification in visual arts, and most institutes are offering these courses online these days. Typical multimedia designer earns somewhere between $30,000 to $80,000 annually.
So the next one is data analyst. Data analyst will be one of the most in-demand job in the post-pandemic era. So data analyst works with data sets to create predictive models and come up with strategies and find solution to the problems.
So a typical data scientist requires a bachelor's degree in mathematics, computer science, and a great level of computer skills. Typical salary ranges between $38,000 to $159,000. So that is a really incremental increase. If you want to land in this particular field, it has a lot of scope. So the next job role is that of a pharmacist. So you would have seen stores like Shoppers Drug Mart, Rexall, and other stores which are offering pharmacy services. But unlike today, wherein a lot of retailers are also offering pharmacy services, this is becoming a high demand job role in Canada. Most of the provinces are also allowing pharmacists to renew medication and also prescribe certain medications as well. So rather than going to your family doctor and getting something prescribed, you can go to a nearby pharmacist and have a prescription. So this is also another aspect wherein it is becoming a high demand role in Canada.
Highest demand provinces and territories for pharmacists are New Brunswick, Ontario, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and British Columbia. Typical annual pay range lies between $51,000 to $118,000 per year for pharmacists. To become a pharmacist in Canada, you normally need a bachelor's degree in pharmacy, some practical training, and registration with regulatory body for pharmacists in your province or territory. So the next job role which we are going to talk about is project manager. Project management is a skill which is required amongst various industries like finance, construction, or information technology. And that is the reason project management is an in-demand skill in the coming years.
A typical project manager earns between $51,000 to $107,000 annually, and the requirements can be a bachelor's degree in management, a certification in project management, a master's degree in project or business management, and a certified associate qualification in project management or relevant experience.
So the ninth job role which we are going to talk about is a psychologist. Due to COVID and lockdown, there is an increased focus on mental health and wellness, and that is why psychologists are in demand in Canada for next 5 years.
A typical psychologist earns between $46,000 to $120,000, and the highest demand provinces are Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Quebec, Ontario, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and British Columbia. And the typical entry-level education requires a master's or a doctoral degree.
इसी में next आता है clinical psychologist. There are a lot of organizations who want to hire clinical psychologists for their employees' well-being, and also if as a clinical psychologist you can practice in private too.
To become a clinical psychologist, you need to have either a master's or a doctoral degree in psychology, depending on the province or territory. You will also need to meet additional registration requirements of the province or territory. The typical salary ranges between $78,000 to $142,000 per year.
So the 10th job role is industrial electrician. Industrial electrician is one of the most in-demand skilled job in Canada. In fact, between 2017 to 2026, there are 1,200 industrial electrician jobs which are expected to go unfulfilled because of the lack of industrial electricians in the country. The main reason for this is a lot of industrial electricians are getting promoted, are retiring, or moving to different careers in the same field.
As mining, gas operations, and manufacturing become automated, there would be a high demand for industrial electricians. This is a really good field to look at, and what you would be expected to do is basically installing, testing, maintaining, and repairing of industrial equipments and machines. So the high demand provinces for this particular job role involves Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Ontario, and annual pay ranges between $42,000 to $81,000 annually. A typical entry-level education requires completion of vocational training or an apprenticeship program. Trade certification may also be required for certain provinces.
So now let's shift our focus to the financial sector. There are a lot of job roles in the financial sector which will see an increased demand in the coming years. So the first one is financial advisor. Due to the pandemic and loss of jobs and uncertainty in the job market, there is an increase for demand of financial advisors. People are looking for advices for their mortgages, rent payments and also debt. So there is an increased demand for financial advisors in the current times.
And this job role is very much in demand all across Canada. The typical salary revolves around $78,000 to $130,000 annually. So the next job role is that of an accountant. So in today's time of financial inconsistency, accountants are the most sought after. Accountants basically help address issues for businesses such as government funding and financial tax breaks. Accountants also help businesses with regards to the overall growth of the company.
The demand for accountants can be seen all over Canada, and a typical salary ranges between $76,000 to $144,000 annually. So the next one is construction estimators. Construction is expected to grow at a moderate rate in Canada in the coming years, and that is the reason there is a demand for construction estimators in the times to come.
So the companies are basically looking at reducing their bottom line and to effectively manage their costs. So as a construction estimator, you would be looking at the cost, preparing budgets and estimates for construction projects in electrical, architectural, mechanical and civil engineering. The highest demand provinces include British Columbia, Nova Scotia, Ontario and Quebec, whereas the annual salary ranges between $39,000 to $105,000 annually. To become a construction estimator, it helps to have a practical experience in the construction industry and to complete a 3-year qualification in construction engineering technology. You may also need to be registered with the Canadian Institute of Quantity Surveyors.
So the last one and one of the most in-demand jobs in Canada is truck drivers. One of the major reasons why there is an increased demand for truck drivers in the coming years is the most of the truck drivers are right now above 45 years of age, which makes a demand for younger drivers in the coming years. Especially in British Columbia, it is expected that there will be 13,000 jobs for truck drivers between 2019 and 2029. Imagine, this is just one province, and truck drivers are needed all over Canada to haul commercial goods from coast to coast. Thus, truck driver is one of the most in-demand jobs in Canada in the coming times.
So the most high-demand provinces for truck drivers are Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, Ontario, Quebec, British Columbia and Yukon. And this typical salary ranges between $34,000 to $81,000 yearly. Typical entry-level education requires completion of truck driver training and must also obtain appropriate licensing and endorsement. For specialized vehicles, you may also need additional certifications.
So hope this helped you understand high demand job roles in Canada post-COVID in 2021. And if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel. It took a lot of time for us to research all these job roles and all the details as well. So if you like this video, please make sure you have liked and dropped us a comment below.
So until next time, take care of yourself, your family and stay connected.
Bye-bye.
Bye.